Can you make money from trading without actually knowing how to trade? I tried this out on Involio. I just made a deposit of $100. The goal is to see if I can grow it to $1,000 by doing absolutely zero analysis. I'm just going to mimic the top traders on the platform. On Involio, once a trader posts a trade, he can never delete it. It's an unalterable record to know which trader is actually good and who is just loud. Here, traders can't just boast or edit their screenshot to tell you that they are good. The record simply cannot be manipulated. Now, when I started out with Involio, I made an initial mistake when I was choosing a trader. The good thing is that you won't make that mistake because I'm going to show you exactly how I am set up to copy the best traders on the platform. I'll show you the hack I use with ChatGPT to find the winners, and I'm also going to tell you the things I really don't like about Involio, or basically where I think the platform needs to improve, because they're definitely not perfect.
Involio now has a surprise bundle for new users, and I will show you how to get it at the end of this video.
And I'll keep the $100 experiment running, so you want to subscribe and hit the bell to see what my result will be in the next 30 days, to see if actually I'm going to hit that $1,000 mark, or if I'll get liquidated. So let's open the app to see first the layout. At the top we'll have Move. Move basically shows every trade open or close in the platform in real time. At first I made a mistake here. I was trying to find traders just by looking at recent trade, but that is not the smartest way to use this platform. Then the next thing we'll have is trending, which works more like social media feeds. Traders can actually post updates here that they do on Twitter, which helps followers understand their thinking. Then following just simply shows the traders and posts you are following, and recent is the recent activities on the platform. Now at the bottom menu we have home, search, wallet, profile, and this plus icon where you can use to make your own post in the platform. The real power of this platform in Involio is actually inside the search section here, and I will come back to tell you why this is so powerful. But so far, this is the overview of Involio. Now let's get back to Move, because I want to show you something here under Move. Let's say I see a trader that I like. For example, let's look at this trader. It says I'm for Christ. His wins are in green, 111. His losses are in red, 34. This is his PNL. This is pretty impressive. And I just opened this trade 17 minutes ago. It's a BTC USDT trade. Let's say I want to mimic this trade. I'll just click on mimic. Then I can adjust my leverage or adjust my position size to whatever I want. Then swipe to actually mimic this trade. Now the trade is going to appear under my portfolio. You can see here I'm currently in this trade. Whenever this trader closes this trade, I will get a notification and I can also close the trade. But by myself, if I click here, I can actually set the stop loss, take profit, or manually close this trade myself whenever I want. This is a process of copying and managing trades on Involio. Now, still on Move, I want to show you another thing. Instead of clicking mimic, let's say I go back to this I'm for Christ guy and click on his profile or his name itself. Then below it we have portfolio. Portfolio shows me all his portfolio. It shows me their names, it shows me the trades he has taken in each portfolio, and it shows me the win rate. So what I copy in Involio is the portfolio, not the trader. For example, looking through this, I think its best portfolio so far is this liquidated 45 closed trades with a win rate of 88%. So for example, it is better for me to copy this BTC King portfolio by this trader with a 76% win rate than daily ULTS with a 71% win rate. So again, in Involio, you do not necessarily look for the best trader what you look for is the best performing portfolio across the trader and copy only the best performing portfolio. That is a smart way to trade on Involio. Now to do this, that is where we use the search. I said this is one of the most powerful features on Involio. So what I would do here is I'm seeing top for portfolio. I'm going to click on view top 10. Then this will just give me the top 10 portfolio on Involio. Now we can see the trader, number of trades, and profit and loss. You see the 79 and the 57 that are in fire icons in yellow. This is actually their winning streak. Now what I like to do is determine the best trader based on their average win per trade, not the total trade. So I will go ahead and take screenshot of this. Then I'll go to ChatGPT and paste that screenshot there. I want to see the whole portfolio. So I'm simply going to enter a prompt here on ChatGPT. So I'll say, it's as simple as that. So this simply gives me the best portfolio based on the quality of each trade. So you can see here that the top trader here is Vanta Protocol. His average win per trade is around 13.56, which is really impressive. Followed by Poverty Escape, then Kitchen, and the Q code. So what I'm going to do is simply go to Vanta Protocol. Let me go to it. So I'm going to click on Vanta Protocol to do some investigation first. Now, what is most important to me is the close side of this. So I can scroll to see his close trade. BTC 27%, 24%, 14%, 29, 20. These are all he wins, and you can see the loss minus 1 point something percent. So this portfolio is good to copy. So I'm going to go ahead and click on follow, then click on the bell icon, so that anytime he opens a trade, I'm going to get notified, so I can just mimic that particular trade he has opened. I'll go ahead and do the same thing for a lot of these other traders. But what I want to show you again is, if you click on this crown icon here to bring down this drawdown, where we are is actually the trending traders. But you want traders that are making good returns this week. If I click on it, this is important because you want traders that are actively trading, not traders that have done it in the past. So I can go ahead and take screenshots and do the same thing with ChatGPT to know the best traders I'm going to follow. You can follow as many portfolios as you want to be able to take multiple trades per day. And to take a trade, of course, you have to fund your account. You have to click on the portfolio, then you will see deposit here. You click on deposit. Now click on receive crypto. This happens on the Arbitrum network, and I can see here my wallet address. I'll go ahead and make a deposit now. But one thing you have to know when using Involio is this: the trades here are actually taking place on Hyperliquid. Involio is just the interface. Your money stays in the blockchain in a non-custodial way, which is huge relief in 2026. You are not sending your money to a guru. You are just mirroring the moves on a decentralized exchange. Okay, so when you send the money, and once the money arrives, you have to click on accept. This is more like getting it into Hyperliquid. Okay, this is basically how to use Involio. Now, this is where Involio needs to get better. First, you can see that the platform is not fully automated. This is actually the biggest pain point. So even though I am copying portfolios, I can still miss trades. I still have to be with my phone to click on mimic when the alert pops up to copy a trader, to mimic a trader. And the same thing goes for when I'm closing a trade. When I get the alert, I have to physically come and type close to close that trade. Now, I actually spoke to the Involio team about this, and I think they're going to fix that one really, really soon. The second thing I see here is the risk amount or the margin per trade. You have to adjust leverage and position size each time. This is not a problem, actually. You just have to know how to actually take care of your own risk, because your actually risk is a combination of the position size and the leverage. You have to actually know how to do this. Now, this gap is what I'm working on with CopyMe. It's a platform that is tackling the automation problem from the start. Pre-fill stop loss and take profit, and define risk to reward ratio so you can actually walk away from your phone. The traders on CopyMe are in-house vetted pro traders. You can join the waitlist for the full features and access when it is released. I'll put the link to that in the description of this video if you want to join. It is a platform I am working on, so of course I'm going to talk about it any chance that I get. That said, Involio overall, as you can see I'm using it, is the best tool we have right now for transparency. So nobody can tell you I know how to trade and this and this and this and this. You can just get into Involio, trade there, people can copy you, and your track record actually confirms if you're a good trader or not. To get the surprise bundle, simply use the code Jude when signing up. I'll leave the instruction in the description of this video. I'm going to keep the $100 experiment running, so you have to subscribe and hit the bell icon to see what I will make in the next 30 days. Will I hit the $1,000 mark, or am I going to get liquidated? So drop me a comment once you are signed up with Involio. Which trader are you mimicking? I want to know.